Hello fashion lovers, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Sew with Scholar. Today we are going to learn how to make this bubu gown. Yes, the materials I use for this bubu gown is a mikado silk, scissors, chalk, ruler, and the thread. Yes, a matching thread. So I'll go ahead and fold my fabric into 4 folds because I'm cutting the front and back pattern together. Yeah, I'm cutting the front and back together on a freehand cutting, so I folded them together into 4 folds. You can see it there. I go ahead and mark my margin on the upper part. I mark a margin. So from the margin, I will start putting my measurement. Remember, in this tutorial we needed 3 measurements, that is your shoulder length, half shoulder length, your knee length, your armhole length, and the full length of the gown. So I'll go ahead and put my neckline width, which is 4 inches, and then the depth, which is 1.5 inches for the back and 7 inches for the front. Remember, I'm cutting these two together, so I have to mark them together, and then letter Y cutting, I will separate them. For the back, I'm using round neckline for the back and then V neckline for the front. And you will notice that this 4 inches, when you open it up, it will be 8 inches width. And by the time you will sew it using half an inch, you might be having 9 inches. So you know how much you cut. You can do any amount you choose. It must not be the same with mine. So after that, I'll go ahead and put my half shoulder length. That is from the half of my shoulder to the length of my sleeve. I come down by 1.5 inches to get my shoulder slope, and then I connect it to the neckline. The next thing I'm going to do now is to put my vertical measurement. I will put my shoulder to knee length and the full length of the gown, that is shoulder to the full length of the gown. I just mark that, and after that I'll go ahead and put my armhole measurement, that is round armhole, or you can call it sleeve length because we are cutting it together. So I put 10 inches. You can use 11 inches, 9 inches, depending on how wide you want it to be. Remember, this is a cowl kaftan gown, a bubu gown, so I always prefer mine to be wide, the sleeve to be wide. After doing that, I'll come to my knee length. I'll come down by 2 inches from my knee length. That is from the knee length mark, I'll come down by 2 inches. But before that, we put the round knee measurement. To get your round knee measurement, I use my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 4 inches. Hip 40 divided by 4 is 10 plus 4 inches, that is 14. That is what I put there. I put the same thing on the full length of the gown and then connect it. Now from the knee length of this gown, I come down by 2 inches. You can choose not to come down at all, or come down more than 2 inches, depending on how you want it. Now from the 2 inches that I came down, I will make a curvy cow shape, a curvy C shape, curvy kind of C shape, not 2C shape, to the length of my sleeve. That will give you the cow effect, a curvy cow shape. You can see how I'm doing it. You mark it how you want. You can see my own. You can choose to do more, make it come out more, and that will be more bold. After that, I also put half an inch sewing allowance on my shoulder line, and then I go ahead and cut it. While cutting, I separated my front and back. I cut the back neckline and then separate the fabric, the front part from the back part, and then cut the front V neckline. After that, I'll go ahead using the same material to cut an interfacing to turn the necklines. So I cut for the back and also do the same for the front. Then I'll go to my machine and turn the neckline. You can interlock it before turning it using half an inch. So I sew and turn it using an interlocker machine. I weave it, weaving round the fabric, and then I join everything together. And that is all. Our gown is ready. You can choose to put applique on the gown or not. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye. See you in my next